I'm Dr. Karen Saylor. I want to talk to you just a minute about the coronavirus. We all know that the coronavirus is called a novel virus. It's new. We've never been exposed to it. We do know that it's highly contagious, spread by droplets, such as when we cough or sneeze, or even touch things. It's more dangerous to people with heart and lung disease and people on certain types of medicine. It has really rocked the medical world. Symptoms include cough, fever, loss of taste and smell. This will progress then to pneumonia and heart failure. This is an extremely dangerous disease once you have it. But probably the worst symptom of all is the fact that some people have no symptoms. These are the people that can spread it to you even though they feel well. Then you take this disease and spread it to others, such as your parents, your grandparents, or your neighbors, and other family members who have health problems. So it is a disease that we have to be on guard for 24 hours a day. The state of Kentucky has been very blessed, and even Rockcastle County. We've had very limited number of cases, and so we have a tendency to be lulled into thinking we're okay. We can do everything we want, and we don't have to protect each other. But we have to do exactly what we've been told to do. I want to discuss the measures that Rockcastle Regional Hospital has implemented in the clinics and in the hospital. I request your help and understanding. These measures are ordered by the state, but this is what we are doing to try to protect you. We can no longer have typical waiting rooms. We can't have multiple people in the waiting rooms. This violates social distancing and will promote spread of the virus. Anyone in the waiting room can expose others. So we have developed numerous measures to prevent this from happening. We have call ahead registration. That means you call ahead, you're registered, you don't have to stand in line. Numbers will be provided by the schedulers for you to call for appointments or for test scheduling. Also, we're going to ask you to wait in the car until it's your turn to go back into the office or back to get your test done. We will notify you, and then you will be brought straight up and into the room. We do this so that you won't have to wait and be exposed to others. We have to wipe all seats in between patients because these droplets can live on the surfaces for at least 3 days sometimes, and we want to make sure that you are safe. So, we're going to ask you to wait in your car. Please don't think we're being rude. We just want you to wait in your car. I know you miss your neighbors, but you need to do that. We're going to ask for social distancing in all areas. That is, don't get close to people. We need to stay at least 6 feet from other people. We will have screening tables at the entrances. In the morning, all healthcare workers are screened. We take their temperatures. If they have a temperature, they are sent home. A worker will take your temperature. They will also ask you if you have any symptoms that could go along with the COVID virus. Again, please just give them time to do this and be very cooperative with them. Also, we're going to ask that only one patient enter the office at a time. If the patient is a child or if they have special needs, they will be allowed to be accompanied by one adult. When you check in at the tables, please abide by this. Don't try to go past the screeners. Please abide by this. Remember, this is for your protection and the protection of others. All healthcare providers and patients must wear masks also. Now, I know that we don't like masks. They're hot, they're sweaty, they make our glasses fog, but we got to wear a mask. The mask should cover your nose, your mouth, and fit tightly against the edges of your face. If you don't have a mask, we're going to provide you one. Just ask the screener if they don't offer one. Again, this mask is our way of protecting you and the rest of your family. I know this whole episode can be frustrating and inconvenient, but we all need to learn to go through this and to abide by these measures. Rockcastle County has worked throughout the crisis to promote safety for everyone. Please join us in keeping everyone safe. We cannot do this without you. Remember, we're all in this together. Please help us.